So it was an arranged marriage setup, and we first met on 22nd of December last year. And I think I'm little filmy, I'll say, and I always wanted a person जिसको मैं मुड़ के देखूं, because that's something I never do for any other random person. I would never look at any other random person like that. And I think though we were meeting different people at different time, and then I met Meet in December. And I think when I was leaving that place, and that was the moment when I just looked back and I was just seeing him. I just wanted to have one more glimpse of him. So I think that was something special about him, that he made me look back to him. We met at Gurdwara Sahib, both the families, and I think, as I mentioned, I am very filmy. I just need that one moment to know that he's the one. So when we are going into arranged marriage setup, you really don't know how things gonna be and how you're just going to identify that he's the one. But I think when you talk to that person, you have that comfort. I never realized when we were, we spent 45 to 1 hour together talking like just random things. And one more thing which is special about Meet is that given I also pursue my passion along with my profession. So I was just mentioning this to him that, it's just my passion. If you do not want, I won't continue this, right? But he was the one who motivated. He said, no, I really like it, that you have something to do else apart from your work. So I think, these little things made me realize that he is the one, and he's being very supportive, and from where he's coming is very down to earth and things. So I think these little things, it was never, oh my God, just love at first sight, never like that. But when you see the other person, just little things you notice about them, that's, I think, kind of sweet thing. He's very down to earth, and I mean, he's very caring, given he's elder out of all the siblings. So the way he take care of Dadaji, Dadi and all the family members and the little, sister and brother, I think that's very sweet of him. And also the way he cares. He's not very expressive in general, but as you say, you should believe actions more than the words. So I think his actions speak louder than words. And the way he cares, all the little things, he would never mention what all he's doing for you, but he'll make sure that you are comfortable, you are enjoying, you are getting best of everything. Feeling very happy about, I'm moving into a new life with a partner I always wanted to be with. But also on the same lines, leaving this house, my little niece, bhai, bhabhi, mom, dad. And yeah, obviously it's mix of both. Wedding for me is, I would say it's not just about two persons, but two families. And also it's altogether a new phase, because I've spent my 27 years with these people. They know how I behave, how I have been, how I react in reactions, in different situations. But then moving to a completely different zone, meeting new people, living in there, like 24 hours, I'll be waking up somewhere else, not in my own house. And my niece won't be there, so I won't be going upstairs to pick her up, to wake her up. But again, on the other part, there would be Dada, Dadiji at home, and there will be Mama, Papa, other two siblings to take care of me, and I'll be pampering them like anything. So for me, wedding is entering into a new phase with the new people, but I mean, they are apparently not new. They just know you. They are made for you. So my brother gave this warning to me that now he's going to pass a first aid box, because he's going to have a headache by handling me, because I'm very demanding, I'm very dominating. But I mean, no warning per se, but yeah, I love you like anything. I love your family, I love the way they pamper me, and I cannot wait to enter this phase and enjoy these all moments with you. Last year, we just got Roka 5. And I was at my friend's Mehendi. It was her wedding function going on, and I just saw Meet coming with that rose bouquet and thing and gifting me that. And also he sent Teddy and thing this year. So I think that's very sweet. As I mentioned, he's not expressive at all. He would never say I love you and Lala things, never. But all these things, little things he does, it's very cute. I mean, we just got Roka 5, it was Rose Day. I hardly care about these days though. But then I saw him walking with that bouquet and thing, that was quite sweet of him. So yeah. And also one more thing which is funny, and that's what he did to me. So he is a hardcore non-vegetarian. He loves non-vegetarian. So we went out for a date to Qutub, and it was Saturday night, and he had dal makhani with me. I said, please, I do not want to have non-veg, I want to have dal makhani and naan. That's my pet, that's my favorite. And he just looked at me and he was like, really, I want to have non-veg. I want to have dal makhani. He said, okay, cool, I'm going to have that. So I think they're very sweet.